Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Microsoft Store error 0x80244022 on your Windows PC. So if your Microsoft Store isn't opening or keeps showing this annoying error code, just follow along step by step to get it working again. All right, let's dive in. First, open the Windows search bar, type Run, and open the Run app. Inside the Run window, type wsreset.exe. That's wsreset.exe. Then click OK. A command prompt window will appear for a few seconds. Just let it run and don't close it. After a short moment, the Microsoft Store will automatically open. This process clears the store's cache and refreshes it, which fixes the 0x80244022 error for many users. Now, check if your Microsoft Store is working normally. If everything's running fine, you're all set. But if you're still seeing the same error, here's another quick fix you can try. If you usually sign in to the Microsoft Store using Windows Hello, like your PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition, try signing out of the store and signing back in using your Microsoft account password instead. For many users, simply changing the sign-in method solves the issue. And that's it. After following these steps, your Microsoft Store should be refreshed, working properly, and free from the 0x80244022.